In today's video, I'll be showing you how to clone a repository from GitHub to Visual Studio Code. Now, this is a very quick and simple thing to do, so make sure you watch this video all the way to the end so you don't miss any important steps. So the first thing you want to do is just head over to GitHub and you want to make sure you are logged into your account. And from here, we're going to find the repository which we're trying to clone. Now, this can be your own repository or it can be someone else's, so it doesn't actually matter, but just first head over to that repository. Now, once you're on that repository, it will look something like this, and you just want to be on this code tab at the top. From here, we should be able to see this green code button, and when we click on that, and they will actually give us a link, and we can click this button to actually copy this URL. And we're going to use this in a second. So from here, you want to open up Visual Studio Code, and once you've got it open, it will look similar to what's on screen now. From here, you want to go over to the left-hand side, and you want to look for this source control icon, or you can click Control plus Shift plus G. And when you click on that, it will open up this little menu. And from here, what we want to do is click this blue button that says Clone Repository. So we're going to go ahead and click on this. And from there, it opens up the search bar and it says provide a repository URL or pick a repository source. So what we want to do from here is paste in that URL that we just got from our repository on GitHub. So from here, we can either clone from URL or clone from GitHub. But since we're trying to clone this repository, we're going to choose clone from URL. So from there, it will open up this file explorer, and as you can see at the top, it says choose a folder to clone this link into. So you just want to choose a folder which you can clone this code into, or if you don't have a folder ready, you can just go into whatever section of your PC you want this in, and you can right click and then choose new and select folder. And once you've created a new folder and named it, you can simply click on that folder and click this button which says select as repository destination. And once you have done that, you will have successfully cloned your repository from GitHub to Visual Studio Code. So that's how you can clone a repository from GitHub to Visual Studio Code. I hope you found this video helpful and thanks for watching.